Hello traders out there in trader land, D7 here with Grok Trade. And do you know that the fear index, the VIX, has spiked over 49% in just a matter of a week? Well, let's get after it. We have a lot to go over. We're going to take a look here at the markets. This market, my friends, this is trouble city. Do you know the S&P is down 4%? The Qs, if you look at this, if I go over here and bring up the Qs, we're down not 4% for the month, but we're down almost 6% for the month. The Russell's 2000s up or down 5.5% for the month. Financials down over 3% for the month. Spiders down 4% for the month. And guys, we're only talking a number of days for us to be dropping this much. Do you know the first day in September we dropped 2 to 3%? That is crazy. What we're going to look at here are the technicals on the S&P 500. If you take a look at this, let's go here, and you'll notice that on Monday we went higher. Okay, let's pay attention to this. You see this white candlestick? We went higher. Everything looked great. Looked like we were going to make this high base breakout. We had a chance to do that. No, bears come in, bam, to the downside, breaking a major trend line. We come down, we get our breath on some major moving averages, holding up, and then on Friday, that's today, the day I'm doing this video, bam, to the downside. The S&P 500 down 1.7%. If you look here at the Qs, we were down 2.7% today. Guys, trouble city here in the markets. If you look here at the Qs, we have major support getting ready to come up on this daily chart. Go to the Russell 2000, major support coming up. Look for a bounce to take place, or at least some relief for the bulls. Listen, we have had some minor short positions going down through here, making bank. We are making money here, boys and girls. If you look here at the financials, everything looked great until Friday. We come crashing down. Thursday was very bloody. We should have been at this support line and stayed there, but instead, bam, cracking downwards, breaking that. We have a major jab. And if you zoom out, we have a huge rising wedge, breakout, fake breakout. We have what is called a bearish death hook on a rising wedge. This could get ugly and fast. So guys, whatever the financials do, the markets also do. And that's what we're looking at. XLF, the ETF, the biggest ETF for banks that are out there. We watch this really closely, and we're dropping on bigger volume. You guys can see that. US dollar on the daily, get ready to go bullish, guys. Downtrend, resistance, down here support, resistance, and now we're staying up here at the resistance. We hammer out. This looks like it's getting ready to rally. We're going to see a rally on the US dollar. That's going to put a lot of pressure on gold, guys. So gold, we have this big flag up here on this rising wedge. Guys, be really careful. If you look at this, we have some bearish divergences taking place, and the gold could come to here, hit, and then break down. That could be really bad. Silver, same thing. Big symmetrical triangle. We have major support, but we're dropping on big volume. If the US dollar gets really bullish, look for this to break downwards. VIX on Friday alone was up over 12%. A huge rally for the month. We're up 49% on fear. And if you look over here at the weekly charts, guys, you gotta see this. You have to see this. S&P 500, big rising wedge. We had resistance with support. We get near resistance, hit resistance down here. New support, resistance, support. We rallied up. We did not hit resistance. We failed to hit this area. Friday, we come crashing back down and breaking below two major trend lines. Bad news on the weekly chart, gang. We have major breakage that has taken place. We do have some support here. Will we find that support? Maybe. We'll go to the markets. If it breaks this and we head down, if so, we have look at the M. Do you see the M in the making? M stands for murder. M for murder. That's what we are making on the weekly chart right now. If you go here to the diamonds, you look here. We were up, up, up. We busted out. This week we come crashing down, breaking below a trend line. Go to a line chart. You'll see this. Resistance, resistance, resistance. We broke resistance and we come right back down. This thing is dead to us now. We don't even care. It broke both of those. I removed those. If you look at this, we have major support there. Will that hold? The Qs, technology stocks, if you look at this, we had this big symmetrical triangle. Let me go to a line chart so it's easier for you to see. We come up, 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 up. Resistance down here near support. We didn't hit support, so I got really bullish. Come up. We call what was resistance, now it's support. We rally up, hit resistance. We come down to the apex of this area. We rally back up. We come back down, and we broke two major trend lines. Bad news for tech stocks on the weekly charts. That is no bueno, no good. Look for this to continue lower. Russell 2000 weekly chart, same thing. Bam! Broke the major lower trend line. Look how we found support, support, support. We broke it. Do you see how we failed to hit resistance here? Let's go to line chart so you can really see what we're talking about here. Okay, this is the Russell 2000. Resistance, and we could go back. I mean, this thing has a lot. Just learn to draw these correctly. So we go up, support, support, resistance, come down. We failed to hit resistance. That's relatively weaker. We come down and we broke this trend line. That is trouble for the bulls. Bears are in control at this moment. The weekly chart on financials. We had a rising wedge. We come down, we come rallying up. We broke out looking very, very good. Do you see this line that I have here? The reason I have that red line, if I go here, you're going to get big bearish divergence. Do you see this on the MACD? MACD, bearish divergence. On the RVGI, bearish divergence. On the RSI, bearish divergence. So the reason I'm sharing that is because we had this rising wedge. It should have dropped. We didn't. We rallied up, 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 up. Now we're dropping. We have major, major support. All eyes are on the financials this coming up week, guys. This is huge. If we break these areas of support, markets are in very big trouble. Look for huge sell volume to increase. US dollar is down, 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 hammering out. It's trying to find a bottom and rally back up. Needs to get above this line. It needs to make it needs to get above. The US dollar needs to get above 12,800, I would say. If we can get there, look for that to rally up nicely. Gold weekly, big rising wedge. We're at the apex. This is a great area to be looking to take profits. Silver, it broke a trend line, guys. It's on the bad side. It broke it. No good, no good, no good right there. So look for that. I would be looking to take profits on gold and silver, gold and silver, gold and silver. So VIX. If I go to here, watch this. I'll go here. I'll hover over the month. If you look at this, up 49%. The fear has increased significantly. Quick look here at Bitcoin. It's been down, down, down for the month, but we're at major support. We touched that and bounced up on the daily chart. And there's a good chance of buying opportunity coming in. Matter of fact, I am looking to add some more Bitcoin to my portfolio right now. I like them at these lower levels, believe it or not. Sitting around 53,000 is considered a low level. So let's look at something. And listen, if I've earned a like, it doesn't cost you anything to give me a like. Just give me a thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. Thank you for doing that. And this is for extra bonus points and credit. I'm going to go here to the Grok stock. And I want to take a look at not the daily, but the weekly on Apple. And take a look at this. So do you see the M in the making on Apple weekly chart? This could get nasty and quick, guys. Be very careful. I'd be looking to sell this, not buy it. And matter of fact, do you know Warren Buffett on Apple unloaded 50% of his Apple holdings? 50%. AMD, down, down, down. This is a big bull flag. AMD is one that with some weakness and the market start to get bullish again, that would be a big time buy. It's a big bull flag. Not at all liking Amazon. This is building a head and shoulder reversal pattern. Baba is a bear flag, looking to sell that. Baidu, big falling wedge, looking for a buying opportunity. That is a buy opportunity booking. Do you like that I'm doing this as a sell opportunity? We're making a head and shoulders here. And let's Cisco, take a look. There is a sell opportunity. Cognizant is a sell. eBay is take profits. We have a tweezer top. Google is down, 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 continue to sell, maybe a chance of buying later. Google with an L is the same. GoPro is down, down, down. That was a buy opportunity, but continue down. I'm not liking GoPro. This thing could just be a slow bleed southbound. Let's go to Meta. Lab D. Uh-oh, did I see this pop? This Lab D is probably a buy, guys. This is a 3 times, very careful with ETS, 3 times biotech, bear. It's bearish on biotech. So this thing looks like it's getting ready to rally. I mean, for the month, it's up over 15%. Meta for the week. That's a sell. Microsoft. Look at that. That's a big time sell. MU, which is Micron. Continue a sell there. Netflix. Oh boy. This line I got to get rid of. And I would say take profits or tighten up stop losses. Nvidia could be a buy opportunity soon. Oracle is maybe take profits. Palantir is a buy opportunity. PayPal, a potential buy opportunity. Roku, I would say, inconclusive, don't want any part of that. Shopify, get rid of. Snap, get rid of. Snapped. Oh man, nasty drops. Soxel, stay away from. TSLA, potential buy. QCOM, stay away from. So, did I earn extra bonus points for this? Give me a like, hit subscribe. Feel free to join us. And let's get into a small monologue. First thing that you will notice is I didn't have my video going today. My camera was upstairs. I did not bring it down with me, and anyway, it just better to do it. Is it okay that I don't show my ugly mug? Is it okay? So if you have an opinion on that, I'd really like to hear it. Do you prefer having a talking head, or are you okay with me just doing my voice? Either is fine with me. I don't need to show my face, but if it helps with viewership, engagement, and people watching, then I'll continue to do that. Long and short of everything is I'm here in Florida, and we're in the rainy season. It is blistering hot here. Every afternoon we get a thunderstorm. It is crazy times, and if you want to go to some areas, be sure to go look at some news on Tampa and the flooding we had this past week. Insane flooding. I drove through it. Crazy times here. And this is a little inside baseball stuff I'll share with you. I am looking to do a couple things. We are almost done with our brand new 101 videos, so you can go take 101 our trading tutorials. Anybody can sign up for them. Just go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com or Grok trade and sign up for the 101s. Very helpful. We assume you don't know anything about trading, so it's an ABC 123 101 trading education. It's 5 trading tutorials, and it really gets a person down the path to find out if they want to be traders or not. That's ultimately what it is. The other thing I'm looking to do is create a course and information on developing trading algorithms and how to do that, and how to flex this, and the easy way of doing it. I created a chat GPT, my own GPT, to create where you just prompt it on your trading idea, and it will create the code for you, and then you can backtest to find out if it's worth anything. Very, very powerful. So I'm thinking about doing that. And also, I'm looking at putting together and offering some of my Bitcoin and cryptocurrency algorithms. Those will be a subscription that people can use. If you like the idea of trading crypto or trading Bitcoin, I think that I'm going to be releasing some of the ones that we have and we use, because I want the world to have access to this. So if anything strikes your fancy, feel free to leave a comment down in the comments. And I love reading them. Let me know what state you're from. Say made it if you made it this far. You're the crazy one that listened to a non-talking head video this amount of time. So love you all. Take care. We'll catch you later. Bye. Guys, why are you still here? You just watched my video and now you're still lingering around. Might as well be with you now that I have your undivided attention. Listen, if you haven't done so yet, I highly recommend putting in a foundation of trading, your foundation of trading through a mentor. For learning to fly a plane, you wouldn't just go through ground school before you start flying in the friendly skies. What you would be doing, though, is going up first with your flight instructor. Same thing if you're going to learn to ride a bike, you better have somebody behind you helping you ride a bike. Surgery, you're not going to read a few books and do heart surgery. So every principle and with being guided by a mentor, let finances be this. If you're a trader, you from amateurs to professionals. Mentoring will do that for you. Anyway.